Hi, Christine, what have you got?
A baby lizard.
Let's see. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Where'd it go? Where is it? Oh my gosh. So tiny. Blends right in.
It's not even the size of my finger.
Hey, little guy.
Hi.
Seems to have calmed down from when you were chasing it down the first time. Oh my goodness. Oh, I need to...
It's okay, buddy.
Try to hold steady. Cute.
It's like the lizard man Reed found at that other splash park.
It's really cute. We are at the Wanamaker Dog Park in North Charleston. Pretty good crowd out tonight. Love this dog park. They have a splash area for the dogs.
Keep it on the tops because it'll slip.
Here comes Tucker. That's our boy right there.
He's scared.
But yeah, they have a smaller dog area as well, and then this is the larger dog park area. And it wraps all the way around. Plenty of shade, lots of benches for the owners to sit. And then they also have water spigot. You can bring your own bucket, and then you can have bucket at your table or wherever you're sitting. Hi, baby. Hi. Lots of really sweet dogs here. And if you come often enough, you'll see the same dogs over and over. And the dogs kind of make their own friends here. It's really fun. But here's the Wanamaker Dog Park. Love this place. All right, we'll see you later.